Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured house at lot AA-6 in Edison Mobile Estates. Edison Mobile Estates is a land lease community located in Edison, New Jersey. So here you can get a feel of what the rest of the neighborhood looks like. This house has a beautiful porch right out the front, so you can sit and take a look out at the neighborhood. This house comes equipped with outside water and electric. We recently put the lawn in, so it's just filling out real quick. The back is still growing in. We still have a little bit of work to be done. Here you can see you get a pretty sizable backyard. There's also a shed here. Now let's take a look inside. So here's the whole porch. As we move inside, you can see the living room here is carpeted, and it's got the fan right above, the chandelier. Here's from this corner. And this house has a lot of space for a dining table to be put next to the living room there. Now let's take a look at this kitchen. So you can see the island here. It's got this really nice countertop. It also comes with these little accent features underneath. I think the countertop matches super well with the cabinets here. You can see they're quite deep. And back here is subway tile. You can see on the island in the on the left side, there is other cabinets there as well. So this kitchen has a ton of space for everything you could need. You've also got the outlets on the side there. Here's the stove oven combination. It also has a little heating pad at the bottom. Got the microwave here. All of the appliances in this house come under warranty. They're energy efficient, which is one of the things that helps make this house an Energy Star certified house. Here's the really, really beautiful sink. Here's the fridge. Here's the thermostat. We've got a nice little closet here. It's be used perfectly for hanging up your coats or something. And then to the left here, this is the back door entrance. You can also put a washer and dryer right here. Get the little hangers right above for if you need to dry anything, and those cabinets there as well. And then across from that, we have the furnace right here. This is responsible for the forced hot air and the central air conditioning. And then on the other side, we have the water heater. And right here is the whole house shutoff valve. So here is the first bedroom. This one's really large, this room. It also comes with a bathroom right connected to it there. So you can see the bathroom here, it's got 2 sinks. The countertop in the bathroom is different from the one in the kitchen. There's a lot of cabinetry down here for anything you need to put. Here's the view at the back. Here's the shower. We have double bypass doors here, and there's 2 seats in there. Now, one thing I think that's really nice about this bathroom is it comes with a closet. So let's go take a look at the second bedroom. Here is the other bathroom. This has a little window above that gives the bathroom quite a lot more light. And this bathroom has a bathtub in it. Again, you have the same dark countertop in this bathroom as you do in the other bathroom. And here's the second bedroom. Here's the closet here. And we'll take a look at the closet in the first bedroom. You can see this is a pretty big closet. You've got the extra screen doors there that we give you. And right on the wall there, you have the Energy Star certification. Right behind the door here, you have the electrical panel. This house is 100 amps, just like a regular home, and we have everything labeled there for you already. If you'd like to inquire about one of our homes, please go to www.myhomeinedison.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you updates about any new houses we build, and will get you on the path to owning one of these houses. Thank you.